If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? And if you're returning, welcome back. You guys, today is day 8. Okay? In Vlogmas. Oh my God. Every time I do that, it cracks me up. So today's video is going to be a basic face beat. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you guys a little trick. If you guys want to go out with your girlfriends or your boyfriend or your husband or whatever, or just running to the grocery store and you don't feel like putting like a whole beat face on with the foundation and all that, this is what I do. Okay? I'm going to give you a little trick of what I do. I just simply use a little bit of concealer. I do a full face of concealer and put some lipstick on, or some lip gloss and put some mascara on and call it a day. This is for the people that just want to do something simple and natural but don't want a whole bunch of makeup on their face. So stay tuned for this video because this is the video for you. Let's begin. gloss like I did. But technically, you got your lip gloss, your mascara, and your concealer. 3 things. You cannot go wrong. And you looking fabulous, darling. Fabulous. Okay? You cannot go wrong. You really can't. I must say I did good. Less than 10 minutes, your whole face is done. Full face of nothing but concealer. No foundation. Throw on some mascara and some pop on your lips. You good to go. I'm looking good here. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys, seriously, if you want to do something quick and easy, this is the way to go. I just don't know what else to tell you. If you want something quick and easy and you don't want to be bothered with foundation, throw on a full face of concealer. Okay? Full face. That's all I got to say about this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you got any suggestions for me, leave them in the comments down below. Share this channel with your friends and family. Your enemies too. Don't make me know. Never mind. Okay? You guys, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Love ya. Bye.